Imagine inspecting properties for estimates and measurements without the hassle of multiple site visits. Do it with just a photograph. This is achieved by computer vision technology. Labeller's tool is designed to streamline this process, offering both automated and manual labeling. Firstly, we'll annotate the lounge. Of course, manual annotation presents lots of challenges due to labeling complex layouts, measuring spaces, or identifying structural elements accurately. Above all, it is time-consuming. We have a solution for this: SAM, a feature for automated labeling. Here's how it is done. With just one click, your annotations are made. Using Labeller's annotation platform in the home service industry, home service providers, insurance companies, and moving businesses benefit from precise annotations, enabling faster estimates, accurate measurements, and more efficient property assessments. Read more about this in our blog, link in the description. Interested to know more about annotations? Book a demo with us. Reach out through the link in the description.